Welcome to the Martin Audio rigging tutorial for the TORUS constant curvature series. In this video, we're going to look at the pole mount rigging procedure for the largest member in our constant curvature family, TORUS T12. TORUS T12 can be supplemented by Martin Audio SX subwoofers and is designed to integrate mechanically with the SX CF118 Carlioid subwoofer in flown and ground stack configurations. To begin pole mounting TORUS T12, position your SX CF118 Carlioid subwoofer on the ground. Wheel your TORUS T12 flight case into position, ready to mount the loudspeaker on the pole. Position your telescopic pole into the M20 pole mount located on the top of the subwoofer and screw it in securely. Remove the flight case lid to expose the cabinet, ready to connect the pole rig 1530. When pole mounting TORUS T12, you will require the use of the pole rig 1530 pole mount bracket accessory. The vertical angle for a pole mounted TORUS can be adjusted and secured with a tethered pin. The tilt angle will differ depending on the TORUS cabinet used. Angles for both T1215 and T1230 are clearly displayed on the pole rig 1530 hardware. When the cabinet is mounted in landscape, there are M10 threaded pole mounts at the top and the bottom of each cabinet, along with locating pins to ensure correct and stable connection to the bracket. Determine the required orientation and connect the pole rig to either the top or bottom M10 cabinet mount, allowing the HF horn to be positioned either to the left or right based on the deployment required. To connect the pole rig 1530 to the cabinet, align the bracket's locating pins onto the cabinet's mounting position. Screw the handwheel into position and tighten securely, ensuring the thumb wheel is loosened before placing onto the pole. Safely lift the cabinet complete with pole rig bracket out of the flight case and place on your speaker stand or pole. Make sure the thumb wheel is tightened to guarantee the cabinet is secure. Extend the height of the pole so the cabinet reaches an adequate height, thereby ensuring that it is directed at the listener's ear level. Whilst holding the rear of the cabinet, remove the rigging pin and set the required aim angle. Depending on cabinet orientation, we then have the option to choose our dynamic horn flare dispersion. By accessing the horn flare from the front grille, you can create symmetrical 60 degree or symmetrical 90 degree dispersions, or asymmetric 75 degrees in either direction. The pole rig 1530 allows the user to deploy a single landscape T12 cabinet with a variable aim angle selection up to a maximum of -15 degrees vertical aim. De-rigging a pole-mounted TORUS T12 system is simply the reverse of the process from before. Lower the pole so that the cabinet is at a safe working height. Loosen the thumb wheel so that the cabinet and pole rig can be removed. Whilst holding the back of the cabinet, remove the rigging pin and set the pole rig 1530 angle back, ensuring the pin is stowed in position. Safely lift the cabinet and assembly from the pole and place back into the flight case, ready for transportation. Unscrew the M10 handwheel of the pole rig 1530 to disconnect the bracket from the T12 cabinet. Place the flight case lid back onto the flight case, ready for transportation. Unscrew the pole from the M20 mounting point of the subwoofer. Pack away all accessories, ready for transportation. Safely lift the SX CF118 subwoofer onto its wheels in preparation for transport.